Hello, in front of me I've got TCL 408. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter security and biometrics. Go to screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Let's start with 2 non-security screen locks, which is non and swipe. Next, let's select pin. To create pin, add at least 4 digits. And then let's select password, and to create password, enter at least 4 characters. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create pattern, connect at least 4 dots. When it's done, we can go to fingerprint unlock, thanks to which we will be able to unlock the phone using the fingerprint. Tap got it, and now scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, let's go to face unlock, tap start, and now scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned. I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.